introducing myself to my English virtual tutor. Personal information. My name is Vanessa Alejandra Ariza La Torre. I am 18 years old. I was born in Guamal, Meta, and currently I still live in Guamal. I finished my baccalaureate at G. José María Córdoba School in Guamal, Meta en 2019, and I became an administrating assistant technician. In 2020, I became a comprehensive early childhood care technician at Senacap Acacias, and I am currently studying a baccalaureate degree in early childhood education at Tecar University. My life. You can go out with my boyfriend, out fast food, between my pet Hillary, with time with my family, Coscuyuela music, play Call of Duty. My favorite sport is Barcelona. My family. My family is made up of 6 members. My father Jesus Antonio Ariza, my mother Diana Carolina La Torre, my brother Adrián, my brother Brian, and my sister Emmy. I am 2 older sister, and we are currently live in Guamal. We are a family. What is your phone number? My number is 318-473-5803. What is your Gmail? My Gmail is vanessa.arizael@secar.edu.co. Thank you.